You've probably heard of Airwallex, a fintech company that's been making waves in the global payments industry. But is it really trustworthy? Let's dive into the details. Airwallex has positioned itself as a modern, efficient solution for businesses to manage their global finances. It offers a suite of financial products, including international payments, currency exchange, and corporate cards. But, as with any financial service, it's crucial to ask, is it safe? Is it reliable? And most importantly, can you trust it with your hard-earned money? Addressing the trust factor. Let's break down the key factors that contribute to trust in a financial institution. Security. Encryption. Airwallex employs advanced encryption techniques to protect your sensitive financial data. PCI DSS compliance. They adhere to strict industry standards for data security. Regular security audits. They undergo regular security audits to identify and mitigate potential vulnerabilities. Reliability. Uptime. Airwallex boasts a high uptime, ensuring that their services are consistently available. Robust infrastructure. They have a robust infrastructure to handle high transaction volumes and prevent system failures. Customer support. They offer reliable customer support channels to assist you with any queries or issues. Regulatory compliance. Licensing and regulation. Airwallex is licensed and regulated by various financial authorities worldwide. Adherence to laws. They comply with local and international laws and regulations. Transparent practices. They maintain transparent practices and provide clear terms and conditions. Positive user experiences. Customer reviews. While individual experiences may vary, it's worth checking customer reviews and testimonials to gauge overall satisfaction. Online forums and communities. Engage with online communities to get first-hand insights from users. Key considerations. While Airwallex has a strong track record and a solid reputation, it's essential to consider your specific needs and risk tolerance. Some factors to ponder. Transaction limits. Understand the transaction limits and fees associated with Airwallex's services. Currency exchange rates. Compare their exchange rates with other providers to ensure competitive pricing. Customer support responsiveness. Assess the quality and responsiveness of their customer support team. Security protocols. Stay updated on the latest security measures and best practices. Ultimately, the decision of whether to trust Airwallex depends on your individual circumstances. By carefully evaluating the factors discussed above, you can make an informed decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.